Hello, once again, I'm just going to tell you the name of the topic. Okay. So today there is a discussion and I'm going to give you the topic here. So topic name is juveniles are supposed to be castigated or penalized, or they are supposed to be given a chance to be ameliorated or to improve. Okay. Yes, Rohit, now you are allowed to speak.
Okay, sir. I would first of all I would try to make as much sense out of which I am going to present in you. So I would like to take this point wise. So okay, so let's divide this crime into two parts. There is crime which is based on financial, which is making a loss of monetary basis, and then there is a crime which can make a harm for someone for their whole life, or even it can steal their life. So there is loss of mortality also. So there is two kind of crime: financial, and then there comes mortality. So according to me, when it comes to crime in which you are actually taking someone's life, you are killing someone. Not you exactly. I'm talking the general.
Okay.
If someone is killing someone, and if the criminal has done some brutality with someone, like rape and other things, so I don't have any mercy for that. I am a strong advocate that that person should be in prison for life, or we can go a further extent and give them capital punishment. It will be much more beneficial for our society to make it a safer place for girls, for boys, and for other genders. Rapes are not happening with girls only, so it's the time that we should start discussing it. It is happening with younger boys too. So, and we actually get ashamed talking about it, and that's the thing because of which people are not getting normal with these things. So yeah, when it comes to mortality and life changing things, they should be punished for capital punishment.
Yes.
And then there comes financial loss, like stealing something, shoplifting something from someone's shop, or stealing someone's car, their money, jewelry, or some certain things like that. I don't think that we should go till the point that we are going to punish that capital punishment to them. I would say that they can change, and if they have desire to change, we should give them a second chance, and we should try to educate them while they are serving their punishment. And there is a very beautiful concept which I came to know from a movie. I don't know if it is true or not, but I think it is a fact in America. So what they do, if they are punishing someone for their life, if they are giving someone life imprisonment, so what they do after 10 years, after every 5 years or 10 years, they reevaluate their mentality. So there is a group of psychiatrists. They ask that person a certain questions, 4 5 questions, and then they reevaluate how his mentality has changed or not. If he is still harmful for the society, or now he is harmless for the society, according to the answers of that person. And if he is harmless, they allow him to go and live a normal life in this society, in this world. So that's the thing I would try to advocate when it comes to financial loss. And yeah, we can't compare that barbarism of rape with stealing something. That there is a huge difference. Rape, killing someone, these are I don't think I can justify them. So I would just one word answer: kill them. So yeah, as everyone was saying about movies, let's come to movies, and the basic flaw is in us. And the thing is, we as a human just try to find excuses to blame others instead of taking it on us.
Yes.
So we are the one who will go in marriages, parties, and then they will dance on "Aaj karunga tere saath gandi baat." Then whenever Tony Kakkar will launch a new song, we are going to go crazy and go gaga on that song, and then we will kill that like button. We are the one. So start accepting and start taking responsibility.
We are the ones, Rohit, ones.
Okay, we are the ones who are the main culprit. We are enjoying those brainless, crappy movies of Sallu Bhai. We are the one who are dancing like crazy on songs like Chikni Chameli and others. So we are the one who have objectified girls. Then why we are actually crying about it? And I am talking about girls too, because girls are also enjoying those songs, those that mud trap, I would say. and then they say that why too much of rape is happening, why people, why we have this kind of masculinity in boys, why they try to show that masculinity by giving commenting on someone and throwing an unnecessary comments. So it starts from movies, but we are the one who are promoting them. So stop promoting them. And as someone was saying about South movies, I actually hate South movies, but now they are changing. I watched 2 or 3 of them, and I highly what would I say? I would tell you to watch them. It's a really great movies. One is Asuran and the second one is Kala. It's a Malayalam movie, and they are not those senseless, brainless movies in which the hero is killing to everyone and then he's going to girl and trying to show off that I am the one, the savior of yours, and now you have to marry me only. So yes, these are the things. Financial loss and life loss is two different separate things. So and stop watching those shitty, crappy Bollywood movies. Yeah, and educate the criminals.
ओ अरे रोहित, क्या बात है, आज तो गजब बोल गए, बहुत अच्छे रोहित, सुपर सुपर।
Thank you, sir.
अरे क्लैप कर दो भाई जोरदार, वेल डन।
Yes, sir.
टर्न ऑन योर
Yes,
कैमरा
yes.
एंड स्पीक।
Good evening, everyone.
गुड इवनिंग।
So, as today's topic, juvenile are supposed to be castigated or paralyzed for any crime and their mistake, or we should give the chance for ameliorate themselves. So, I would like to say juvenile are supposed to be penalized for any crime.
हाँ,
Because unless they will not penalize,
Penalized,
they will
penalized.
keep on
penalized।
penalized.
Hmm.
Until and unless they will not penalize, they will keep on repeating their mistake again and again. And as per the last few decades, we can see that crime in India are getting increased day by day.
In
And
India,
that
in
are
India,
done by the
हाँ, in India, in India।
and those crimes are getting increased day by day, and those crimes are done by the juveniles only. We can say the last gang rape which was happened, the Nirbhaya Kand,
Which happened?
Nirbhaya gang rape
Which was
Which
done?
happened?
Which was done?
was done, named as Nirbhaya gang rape. So juveniles are also involved in that case. So in this way, if the juveniles will not be punished or not be penalized, in this way they will like the other juveniles will also get encouragement for these kind of crimes. So they should be punished in a manner so that the other juveniles who are getting an encouragement by these kind of activities, they should not get any kind of encouragement. They should be demotivated after watching the punishment or after watching the penalization.
नहीं,
So
punishment, punishment।
punishment. So after once they will get punished, the juveniles who have done the crimes, once they will get punished, definitely the other juveniles will also try to improve or try to move, try to means ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उस रास्ते से हटने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Okay, they would try to abandon performing those activities which they are used to performing. Abandon.
So the other juveniles will try to abandon their activities which they were performing. So definitely it will create improvement in the society. It will create the crimes will get reduced. So in this way, they should be punished in this way, so that they should not be hanged up, but yes,
They should
can
not be,
punished in so
They should not be hanged.
they should not be hanged. So, but they can be punished in so many other ways are also there. They can be punished in that way, so that the other people get motivation and the other juveniles get demotivation for the crimes.
Oh, well done,
That's
well done, well done। बहुत अच्छे, कोनिका, well done। Yes, yes. Nitin Chauhan, now it's your turn. Pankaj, did you get the topic? Pankaj, Gupta. Topic is juveniles are supposed to be castigated or penalized, or they ought to be given a chance to be ameliorated or to improve. You get me?
No, sir.
Juveniles means teenagers who are under 18 perform very erroneous or fallacious things, perform a gargantuan crime, perform a despicable crime. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so are they supposed to be emancipated, or they are supposed to be granted clemency, or they are supposed to be incarcerated or imprisoned for many years, or they are supposed to be given capital punishment or sentenced to death?
You are using a very difficult word.
Simple बोल देता हूँ. Teenagers who are under 18 are supposed to be given a chance to be ameliorated, means to improve, or they are supposed to be penalized, means punished. ठीक है? हाँ, टीनेजर्स जो है ना अंडर 18, सो उनको पनिश किया जाना चाहिए या उनको एक चांस देना चाहिए इंप्रूव होने का. ठीक है? हाँ, जो क्राइम में इन्वॉल्व है. गुड इवनिंग. ठीक है? हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके. नितिन, गो अहेड. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम टू स्पीक.
So good evening all. My name is. I want to. Juveniles are castigated, or they given a chance to looking at or come along. According to me, first of all, we have to go to the root of the problem. Why juvenile crime? There are lots of, and like juveniles, they have some. They are bred and brought up by seeing the movies and pictures in the villains, or you can say the persons who are involved in bad activities. They seem to be very cool. They have made the role in most of that timing. They are very cool by using powers. So these kinds of by seeing all these things, develop the mindset. If we do things like that, so we become alpha male, or we are to dominate. So they like the dominating behavior. So this is one reason why. Second reason, maybe reasons like they have shortage of lots very short time. Second is they are involved in just things like taking drugs and alcohol and सर नशे को क्या बोलते हैं?
Intoxication.
And in the intoxication and drugs, they commit crime. So I think, according to me, they are given because they are at very, they don't know like they have means, according to me, some of the juveniles commit crime inadvertently. Like they don't know what are the results of this crime,
what are the consequences? What are the consequences?
What are the consequences of the things? And I'm not saying that they are not some punishment. I'm saying like they should give only to threaten them, not like beating or given very big punishment. Because by giving big punishment, you are making it clear like what is the peak of the punishment. So they get used to it. So why like तो ऐसे बोलेंगे हमें क्या करना चाहिए?
What should we do?
So what should we do is like we should not treat or give that much punishment so that they get used to the punishment. We should give little bit punishment so they get the lesson. Like we should not do things like that. We are not involved in this thing, and they should also given a lesson of truth, lesson of life, like how the life keeps going on. It is not like by kidnapping or by snatching something, by obtaining money from these kinds of activity is good. Means they should aware of the thing by giving the lesson, and very short punishment should be given to recuperate them by these kinds of mindset. According to me, they should and the main thing is like the crime should not be I'm not saying about the very big crimes like murder and all. Obviously, if these crimes are performed by the juvenile, they must be very big. They commit some little crimes like robbery or beating someone, and these kinds of crimes I'm talking about. They must given very little punishment. If they commit very dangerous crimes like rape or murder, they must be given according to it from my side.
बहुत अच्छे अरे नितिन वेल डन वेल डन
Thank you. Thank you.
हाँ चेतना चेतना कुमार हेलो
कुमारी नहीं है,
ये कुनवार है ना चेतना कुनवार
आपको कुमार है।
अच्छा कुमार है ओके चेतना वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक ऑन दिस टॉपिक हाँ
So first of all, hello to all. So Chetna in front of you. So today I would like to start. Today I would like to that should be penalized or not. So before any judgment, I want to notice that what kind of crime they have done or they are committing. Because in our young juvenile act, they have mentioned many, you know. They have mentioned very acts. Like if someone is like selling drugs, if someone is selling drugs or alcohol or the other, we can neglect or which crime we can overlook. So we can penalize them like 3 months, 2 months according to their crime. But if
हाँ
someone
imprison them for 3 months for 4 months
and for 3 months according to their crime. But if I talk about other things, is killing someone, they had killed someone or they raped someone, and we cannot neglect this because you are physically you are harm someone,
harming
harming someone. So for this, suppose penalized, and if an all-time person is a child or adolescent, sometimes he has clue that what he has cannot is under 18 that he or she don't have.
he is a child or she is a child
Child or child and or she hasn't or what he has done or she has murder someone if they are doing crime. If they know of crime, it means has clue that what type of they are doing. They should face the consequences as well. And I think someone is someone rape कर रहा है ना,
is raping
someone is rape, then give the right of that person that he like he sacrifice someone life or someone life and some or the that person should have to ना होना ही चाहिए,
that should be there na
नहीं होना ही चाहिए, मतलब punishment होना ही चाहिए.
okay they should have to be given
That person should have to be
Given.
get the punishment and it is strictly. So yeah, this
harshly बहुत अच्छे चेतना well done hello रोहित
sir, sorry to cut off, but थोड़ा सा घूमा था बस.
अच्छा बोलिए राहुल रोहित so she wants to speak continue her contents yes
I'm sorry. Actually, sir, I want to add that why juvenile doing these things, because I think they get a help from our Bollywood movies, as Nitin said. Because what I if I talk freely, so what I think now that our Bollywood movie doesn't have any content. They are just showing us the love triangle, and you can say some action movies and some illogical things. But if I talk about their South movies, they show very good content movie, and every movie has their own moral value. But because of now we have many good technology, so mostly like before 18 youngers are also using phones, so they watch good movies, good thing as well and bad thing as well, and we know that as a human we like bad thing firstly, so that's why they know that how we can harm someone. Because we are watching these things firstly, so that's why they are. I think they get the help from these things as well for doing for committing mistakes.
Oh, not mistake, crime. Go ahead. Your time starts now. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hello, my dear friend. First of all, welcome to all of you in this class. And my name is Jaswinder Singh. Today, our topic is juveniles are supposed to be penalized or castigated, or they are supposed to be give the chance to ameliorate their mistake.
Hmm.
So, according to my perspective, we have multiple type of example of crimes in our India. Definitely, juvenile had done the type of crime. Those are very despicable crimes, or they are doing multiple types of crime. And I want to say that today our youth is going on the wrong path, on the path of crime, on the path of drugs, on the path of mistakes. Because today is the Kalyug, and we are living in a criminal mindset society. Because there and here, everywhere we are घिरे हुए क्या कहेंगे?
Encompassed or encircled? Encircled or surrounded बोल सकते
We
हो.
are encircled.
Hmm.
Are encompassed or encircled from the criminal.
By
Because everywhere
criminals.
by criminal. Because everywhere we can see criminal, and there are the youth. They are doing a multiple type of despicable work or despicable crime. So according to my perspective, if any, because we know that many people they do the crime or they do any mistake by mistake or for their self protection. If the youth or if the younger person or teenager are doing any or they has done any crime for their self protection or by mistake, so definitely we are supposed to be give the forgive to him.
We are
But-
supposed to forgive him.
Yeah, we are supposed to forgive to him. But if he or they have or has done any crime in the mindset of by the criminal mindset, definitely they are supposed to be penalized. And I want to say that today in the today's generation, youth they don't have any patriotism or any patriotism for their country, and they are very importunate or very eccentric for the
Eccentric.
eccentric, and they are very stubborn for their demands, and they want that our parents will fulfill our all the demands. But I want to say that this is not a right way for सर परवरिश को कहते हैं
You can say परवरिश को solicitude.
solicitude. This is not a right way for solicitude.
Not solicitude.
And
ऐसे
I
मत
want
बोलो.
to say that
ये बोल सकते हो आप. This is not the right way to breed that person up. ठीक है, breed that person or bring that person up. ये बोल सकते हो. और एक और है.
it is not a right way.
हाँ मतलब to give good
It is not a
solicitude.
right
हाँ
way to breed that person.
हाँ
And
give
today,
solicitude.
solicitude.
Solicitude, only
It
solicitude.
is not a right solicitude. Not a right way to give the solicitude to their children or to anyone. And today the camaraderie amongst our society has, and the criminal mindset is incorrigible, and this is the mindset is inexorable. We can't exclude the mindset, these type of mindset. And now last, I want to give some my point related to our example. We all cognizant from the case of 2012 of the Nirbhaya case in Delhi. We know that there was a 6 criminal or 6 inculpate were there, and they had done the rape with any woman or girl. And after that, what we can see, what we saw that a juvenile or teenager had emancipated by the court by the Indian judiciary because of that, because he is under 18. That's why. Because if any juvenile or teenager had done, has done any criminal or they are doing any crime, definitely they are claiming for the punishment, or they if any juvenile क्या है, has done the crime for the self protection, so definitely they are claiming for forgive. And last time,
What did you say? They
I
are?
want to say that
Jaswinder.
we all.
What did you say?
Yes, sir.
In the end, you said like they are
They
supposed
have
to.
done. Sorry, sir.
बोलिए बोलिए.
सर मैं ये कहना चाहता था, वो punishment का हकदार है, claimant for punishment.
Okay, it deserves to be penalized.
Yes, sir. That's to be penalized. And last one, those I want to tell you, this is that thing we all cognizant from the case of Saki. In this Saki book, a juvenile or teenager had shot in the Badi Sabha mein.
Okay, in the assembly.
In the assembly front of the magistrates.
Okay.
So we can say, so today I can say that कि बच्चों के हाथ बहुत खुल गए हैं.
Okay, okay. So you can say that they have got lot of. You can say they have become presumptuous. Right word had been given to you last time. You had been to
are big.
They have become presumptuous or imperious.
They have become a presumptuous or imperious, and these type of activities are increasing the criminal mindset in the every youth or every youngster.
Youngster,
And
nahi,
last
youngster,
thing is that-
youngster.
Yeah, youngster. Yes,
Youngster.
sorry, sir.
Time is
Last
up.
thing is
Time.
that-
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. 6 मिनट बोल गए आप जसविंदर. पता लगता है आपको like okay, you can speak for 6 minutes continuously, like relentlessly.
नहीं, sir.
हाँ. Okay. Now you have
नहीं, sir, ऐसा लगता है अभी चालू किया था, अभी रुक गए.
now you have propensity of speaking English relentlessly, है ना?
Sensitive मतलब?
बताया था last time. Inclination. You have an inclination for speaking
tendency,
English
yes, sir.
relentlessly. Relentlessly मतलब दया भी नहीं दिखाते आप अपने ऊपर, लगातार बोलते जाते हो. ठीक है. Yes, निशा यादव.
एक बात था तो मैंने
यादव. Hello.
Yes, sir.
अरे कहाँ
sir,
गए?
yes.
Darkness is just being visible to all of us. Where are you?
Yes, because light has gone, sir, actually, and I'm on the terrace.
Okay, okay.
So I'm
Would you like to speak?
Yes, sir, sure.
Go ahead and be unscrupulous. As I have already told you, don't need to contemplate or celebrate about the perspectives of those students who are good at speaking and good at delivering their content. Here,
Yes, sir. So what was that word? It was penalized?
penalized.
Penalized. That means punishment.
हाँ, punished बोल सकते हो simple word में punished.
Okay, sir.
और
May you,
हाँ देखो मैं ये
can
रिपीट
be-
कर देता हूँ. juveniles are supposed to be penalized or castigated or sentenced to death or given capital punishment or given a chance to be ameliorated or to improve. Easy.
Uh,
Go ahead.
So good evening, everyone. My name is Nisha, and the topic which has given by sir today to us is the people who are below than 18 age and who are doing crime. They should give them opportunity, to get improve. They should give them opportunity. So what was the word? Give them opportunity to
be ameliorated या फिर to improve.
okay, to improve, or there should be a strict, there should be a strict rule for them. I would like to highlight that the point of Chetna and Nitin, they had spoken very well that by this Bollywood movies they get influenced a lot, and they started doing all of these things. But what I have seen in my society, what I have seen in this world, that this teen age, below than 18 age, in this age, people get influenced a lot, right?
Yes,
I have
yes.
also got influenced with so many of the things.
Hmm.
So, wherever they are, there are, group of people who try to always dominate others, who just feel like they are everything, another person is nothing. Once the teenager comes in the contact of them, they feel like, okay, rather than doing all other things, this is the one thing that is very good to do, because here you can fit in everyone, here you can do whatever you want to do, right? And here you will have money so that you can give to others in order to save yourself. So that is why they indulge in these kind of activities, right?
Yes.
And if I talk about crimes, so crimes are also classified in various ways. Like there is a sexual harassment, there are rape cases, there are robberies, there are murders. What happens is that I believe that crime is crime, mistake is mistake. Whether it has happened by a teenager, whether it has happened by a person who is older.
No, it has
Right.
happened नहीं.
I
It has
believe,
whether अरे निशा, whether it has been done happened नहीं बोलना है.
Yeah, but-
You are on
Mute है.
Okay, sorry. Whether it has been done happen नहीं बोलना है, ठीक है?
Okay. So whether it has been done by a teenager or whether it has been done by an older person, it is a crime. What our constitution says that below than 18, people who are below than 18 age, no matter what a big crime they have done, it is not going to consider a crime. I want to ask, how can a person do these kind of crimes if he I want to say that if he doesn't know that if he is not aware about all these things, then how can he do that? It means means like we only do those things now by which we all are aware. So they are these teenagers also are aware about these kind of these kind of crimes and things. That is why they have done it. But what the safe part for them is that they know somewhere that our constitution is not having that strict rules or regulations for us. So we will be safe somewhere. Right. From there, they dare to do, things like this. I just want to make this point that our constitution needs to be little strict, not for this kind of crime, for every kind of crime, whether it was a simple robbery or whether it was a murder, everything. Constitution has to be same for everyone, so that they will have a fear inside of them that yes, I will not, so that they will not dare to do that kind of thing. That's how they can see the changes, and that's how I feel something can, these all things should be eradicated in the future. That's all. Thank you.
Well done, Nisha. Well done. बहुत अच्छा. Yes. हाँ, Pankaj. Hello, Pankaj.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, would you like to speak now?
Sir, I would like to speak, but I don't have a proper sentence.
It's okay. Whatever you feel like speaking. I told you that just don't feel shy while speaking and be unscrupulous. Just until you are going to speak and put your points of view, people won't be able to get to know about yourself and about your perspective. So don't feel shy. Clear? Don't hesitate while speaking. I'm there to just assist you to accumulate more points to speak or to put your points of view. Clear?
Okay.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Sir, as we see in our life, there are lots of persons who involved in a crime, and they are less than 18 years old, and because they do a lot of a crime in our society, they think about our society. They always abuse in the front of the people, and sometimes they snatch the chain and snatch the chain in the bus. So according to me, if they do this type of activity, we should complain about it. Then we will stop this crime.
पंकज कैमरा ऑन करोगे? पंकज कैमरा ऑन करोगे?
My camera is not working.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, according to me, we can stop this activity if make me understand to those children and then they can understand what we will try at and that's all.
Well done, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छा देख लो भाई, शीटी के लिए मैं आपको वर्ड दे रहा हूँ, प्रीपोस्टेरियस, सुपरफ्लॉस, रिडंडेंट, डिस्पेंसिबल, क्लियर? हेलो
सर किसके लिए?
अरे इट्स ओके रोहित, सभी के लिए, मतलब कि whenever you feel like speaking about superfloss movie or shitty movie, so at the time you need to say that okay, superfloss movie, or you can say redundant, dispensable or preposterous, ठीक है? हाँ, yes, Nitin, now do you have more points to speak, Nitin? हाँ, turn on your camera. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I was example like it means, sir, it really matters like how we bred and grow, what kind we live.
देखो,
So these
how,
all kinds
ऐसे
of
बोलो
things-
नितिन, how are we bred and brought up? How are we bred or brought up? ठीक है ना? या फिर ये
How
हाँ
are we-
हाँ, bred or brought up, or what sort of upbringing is given to all of us? ठीक है, बोलिए.
So how are we bred and what sort of upbringing is to us, and in what company we live, and what things watch, what kind of things we listen. So these all kinds of things.
हाँ, संस्कार, solicitude.
These all kinds of things make solicitude, and it really matters. These kinds of things direct us to the things. So like I would like to take various web series which are present, like the Bollywood movies which we see, the TV programs which televisions are things, they don't use abusive words. If the abusive words are there, they generally mute the content. But now what the web series which are present on OTT platforms, they are not muting it. Like if you the web series which is Mirzapur, I personally like that web series, but if you see there is so much of violence which is present in that movie, and they are abusing freely. So what kind of lesson that who is at very young age, like 16 years old guy is watching that kind of, so it gives a really impact on the child's mind. So, and if the mature person is watching, then the case is different. And so they are released, so एक शुरुआत से पहले caution दिखाना बोल के.
Okay, some kind of trailer you are talking about?
वो पहले बता देना कि सावधान हो जाएं, कोई चीज दिखा रहे हैं 50 से बोल के दिखाना चाहिए, कि स्क्रीन पे पड़ता नहीं.
Okay, बोल सकते हो कि by speaking they are supposed to show, है ना? That what sort of,
Yes, sir,
by speaking.
Yes, sir, according to me, by speaking in any web series, they are using violent content. So they must show that all the things which are performing in these web series are these are unreal action. These are only made for entertainment.
एक वर्ड दे रहा हूँ, promulgate. Promulgate. एक अनाउंसमेंट करना पब्लिकली अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए promulgate.
Sir, they should promulgate these kinds of things. Second, sir, when the children is at very young age, about 16 or 17.
Children is नहीं आता, children are.
When the children are at very young age, like 16, at that age there is a surge of energy. Surfeit बोल सकते हैं.
सरफिट मतलब अधिक के, एक्सेस के लिए यूज किया जाता है.
Surfeit amount of energy is present at that age. So children easily get hyperventilated by seeing or not in the television also, is they often see in their surrounding also the Canva or the activities which is related to violence, these kinds of really hyper. And like sir, today I was inspecting or
make the children hyperventilate, make the children hyperventilate or excite them.
Make the children hyperventilate or excite them. And sir, today I was inspecting or you can say in the case of Kumar, what is going. So today I get to know the gangsters which are present in our country or is they have made Facebook pages by which they operate and they
they make them get stuck. हाँ बता तो दिया, make them get stuck या फिर trap them, कुछ भी बोलो.
Sir, they trap the children at very young stage, means they have made Facebook pages and the children get easily hyperventilated and they get their work done by the children by giving some these kind. According to like sir, is going very bad in using these kinds of institute. I think we should give good solicitude to the children by through these web series or you can say by should be there.
या फिर ये भी बोल सकते हो, we ought to just have the children create or cause good courtesy inside of them.
We ought to create.
We ought to सुनो ध्यान से, we ought to have the children, बोलिए.
We ought to have the children
create courtesy inside of them.
We ought to have the children create courtesy inside them. Like sir, if we the antiquated times also, there is not so much time which are related to murder, race, and these kinds. Because at that time there are very strict rules. Gurukuls.
There used to be. There used to be very
strict rules like gurukuls were there. Means the children is whole day the children is under surveillance of his mentor and teacher, and they are basically the good solitude was given. That is the main reason why there were less crimes in the
बहुत अच्छे. Yes, Chetna, would you like to speak?
At some point, like I don't think so that no parents want to teach their children that you should admit the wrong thing or you should admit the crime. Even our parents want that their child should do the good thing and make a good position in this like area or in this world. But the reason is that is just up to the mindset of that children and the company of that children and what he is what he is noticing, because this thing is up to that. If I am under 18, so that is up to me that I want to see the good thing, I want to see the bad thing. No one can influence you like this, that you can you do that thing what that person wants to do. So that is your mind, what you want to do. And as someone says that for सर सुधारने के लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
Improving, ameliorating.
For improving something or for not teaching the bad thing to children, we should see the क्या था वो सर, क्या हुआ नितिन ने क्या बोला था, क्या देखना चाहिए?
हाँ नितिन.
सांस्कृतिक क्या कार्यक्रम समथिंग था ना, सत्संग. We should see satsang. So I think if someone has bad mindset, someone has someone has like criminal mind, so no one sanskritik karyam will change his mind. Because he has this type of mind, he मतलब ऐसा बड़ा हुआ कैसे बोलेंगे?
He has brought up like that, or with that attitude, with that behavior.
Brought up like that, he has this type of attitude, so no one can change his attitude. So first he should he should क्या था सुधारना था, दोबारा बोलिए मैं.
Ameliorating.
So first he should ameliorate his mind and himself and
himself.
And our court made a very good acts for recovering them and for improving their knowledge because of lack of knowledge also.
नहीं ठीक है
Okay, because of lack of knowledge and because of the bad thing they are admitting, they admitted the mistake.
नहीं.
But I think
हाँ, admit मतलब मानना, आप मानने के लिए यूज कर रहे हो.
नहीं सर, मतलब करते हैं, मतलब
commit admit मतलब मानना, हाँ, confess करने के सेंस में. हाँ,
अच्छा. So I think for improving them they criticize them, but that is not like mostly people not say that all can like फिर क्या था वो
अरे improve.
हाँ. So I not say that all one can all wants that they improve themselves. Someone is ऐसे कुछ बोलेंगे.
Some of them
want to improve themselves. So, and as we know the law work process of our court, you can don't justice until you will grow, and you matlab you any type of financial that time you cannot get the justice. So what I have had a justice, you can say I have had a act for me, like if someone is raping some girl, so I think court or government should that person to us to do, then we will see that what we have to do with that person. So I think this is a good justice process for getting someone.
Yes. Rohit Mathur, now would you like to say something or?
Yes, I do. Actually, I'm not having any contradiction from Nitin and Chetna, but there is two or three things which I would like to add on, or I would
so
like
there
to
are
there are 2 or 3 things which I would like to modify and add. Like Nitin said, there is certain web series and movies where there are certain movies and web series where they are using abusive language, and then they are showing bloodshedding, which is very harmful for the younger audience. So they also give that rating which says adult or UA, that you can watch them under the supervision of parents only, or universal that any age group can watch it. So it's the high time that parents should take that initiative and look after the people, their kids, especially what they are watching. And it's not that tough. I know it's because of that easy access of internet, people are exposed to every kind of possibilities, be it bloodshedding, crime, and kind of thrillers. But yes, because of that same technology, we can track what our kids are watching right now. So we can't make an excuse that these movies and like there is a very debatable topic around the globe, which is these highly violent games like PUBG and others, Fortnite. They are creating a mindset of people to attempt the crime, or to give them an idea to attempt the crime. So that's a debate. But I think that it doesn't make sense. You were saying that that abusive language and the bloodshedding they are showing, that making kids criminal. I don't think so, because they are playing a character. If Shah Rukh Khan is throwing a girl from a terrace or 20th floor, it doesn't mean that everyone is going to attempt that same thing. He is playing a character. He is not the main protagonist of that movie.
Yes,
but the problem starts when the protagonist is normalizing chasing a girl, stalking a girl, passing random comments on them. That's the problem, and it happens in almost all Bollywood movies which we are watching right now. That's the problem. So protagonist is something we should be very conscious about, and not other people. How can you expect negative character be a positive thinker and a positive doer? That's the point. And like Nitin and Chetna was very advocating satsang. That's the biggest criminals in this country are the people who are running satsang.
Yes,
and
yes,
exactly. And we every day we see them. So I don't think it's a cure to all these things. I don't think it's gonna work. The only thing which can work is to educate them and teach, give a civilized person in this society.
Yes. Well done, बहुत अच्छे. बहुत अच्छे. Hello Chetna, you wanted to answer him?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know why, but I'm not able to, agree with Nitin's point. Sorry, the point that he said about Chameli song and the other creepy songs. So I think if some song or if some creepy statement affect you, it will affect the all thing as well, right? But why boys see type of songs and these types of song and movies, and they create, then they should create that mindset on their sister as well, on their mother as well. Why they affect themselves on the other sister and the other like मतलब सर मुझे हिंदी में तो बोलना है कि अगर आप अच्छे गाने सुन रहे हो तो ये इम्पैक्ट तो आपको अपनी मम्मी के लिए अपनी सिस्टर के लिए भी होना चाहिए ना, सिर्फ दूसरों के बहन के लिए, दूसरों की सिस्टर के लिए ही क्यों होता है मतलब नजरिया गलत.
Okay. Why do you have a pessimistic perspective for those people who don't belong to your blood?
हाँ तो मतलब ये song तो सब पे affect करना चाहिए ना.
Okay, everyone is supposed to be affected by this.
Yeah, 10% खरीद पूछना है मुझे.
I don't think you are being rational. I actually can't make sense what you said right now. So sorry for that. But if someone is singing, telling a Tony song that "ले जाऊं तुझे गोवा वाले beach पे" and blah blah blah. So I don't think how you are expecting that guy have that same in his own home. Doesn't make sense what you are saying, Chetna. Obviously, he's going to do all those criminal stuff, and the same way, if your statement doesn't make sense, why they are not lady they have in the at. I can't answer that. It wasn't making sense for me. How you can expect someone to be aggressive student with family members, their mother, or maybe they are. I don't know about it.
So I just want to say that if you cannot imagine your close relation, right, then how can you imagine for to do something with others family? So I just want to say these things. You got my point.
I got your point, but this answer should be very, very well taken care of by the person who is already committing crime. I am not the one who is committing crime, so I can't answer that. Why they are not doing their own system? So I treat every girl. I try to every girl with the same intention and with the same respect which they deserve. So I can't answer that.
So
some criminal minded.
Chetna, you can say like this also, like not only those people who don't belong to your blood, but those people also who belong to your blood are affected, are influenced. ठीक है ना? हाँ, yes. Pankaj Gupta. Hello, Pankaj Gupta. Pankaj. No, he has come back. Hello, Pankaj.
I will try next time.
Okay. So, are you feeling comfortable by being in this class, Pankaj?
Yes, sir, I am feeling comfortable.
Okay, are you listening to everyone? How are they speaking?
Yes, sir, I am listening.
So just get confident, clear? So don't need to hesitate while speaking, and don't get demoralized, clear? Keep just bolstering yourself and emboldening yourself, or keep encouraging by saying this thing that, okay, they are also coming here for learning and I am also coming, clear?
Sir, as you have given a topic, but my mind is not working.
And just you can see the people who are living in your vicinity, if anyone has been found while committing any kind of crime or any heinous crime, so you can just talk about that person also. You can give the example of that person. If you don't have any contents, so you can bring the example of that person, okay, whom you have seen or about whom you have heard, clear na?
Sorry, this is a debate class.
Not debate. You can turn this group discussion into debate, like against whom you want to speak, you can speak. Like if you don't exceed with the point of anyone, so you can just debate with that person, है ना? Okay, Konika, do you have more points to speak, Konika? ओके जसविंदर, डू यू हैव लास्ट फिनिश करते हैं इसको। जसविंदर बोल लीजिए।
I want to say that if anyone has done the crime, definitely they are not an impeccable person. They are supposed to be mentored. They are supposed to be punished. And I want to say that there is a very big mistake of our constitution maker who hadn't made the law related to the crime, this type of crime for the juvenile crime. And this is not a mistake here because they don't out these type of crime and these type of mindset of the juveniles. This do the comments on the girls or the girls. So related to the size of the crime, our constitution big on, and this is government is as responsible or as honest and our society. Political. The question is moral value. Because if anyone has criminal mindset, so definitely they don't have the moral values. They don't have the moral education.
So moral education, with education, if moral education is going to be given, one word I am going to get you, that is edify. Okay.
So they don't have edify.
No, they need to be edified. They need to be edified.
Need to be edified, and we will have our affinity or propensity of crime. Our bamboo other and change is bigger point for the crime.
Okay. Vengeance, समझते हो vengeance? Retaliation, retribution. Like if we have and you can say that enmity for anyone, or you want to just take retaliation, or you can say that we want to just take revenge from that person, है ना? Hello. So that turns us into that into criminal. ठीक है ना? हाँ, तो इस तरीके से बोलिए. They turn us from impeccable person into criminal.
Turn us impeccable person into a criminal. And to party a big fault for our society. And we make a strict law related to crime because we can see that in our there is a are doing the crimes except younger or except body umar.
Okay, like juveniles are performing crime more than adults.
And are doing crime more than and demand of time and law. And I want to ask one: what is the right to expunge or right? Is one of the best way for expunge the crime for expunge the rate of crime in our India, in our country. For change. And the moral value is also important as well as the education. We will have to give the
moral value. हाँ, moral education. हाँ, बहुत अच्छे. Just Mohit, only you have been left. Mohit, हाँ, go ahead. What? Mohit? Mohit?
1 minute, sir.
Are you going to speak or not? Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera.
1 minute, sir.
Were you sleeping? Mohit?
Oh, sir.
What are you doing?
Nothing, sir. आ गया।
आ गया? कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? हाँ बोलिए। हाँ बोलो बोलो, स्टार्ट करो। हाँ
Today's my topic is that under 18 years should get. On my side, I will give it will depend on the work which happened by us.
which are done
Which are done by 18. Like
not 18-year-old teenagers who are under 18.
teenagers are under 18.
which
Like,
नहीं, who are which नहीं लगाना, ठीक है, who are
who are under 18.
Hmm.
That if one do rape, so we will definitely supposed to hang out. From my side, I will say it will depend on work. Like if someone has gang rape, is involved in trafficking, human trafficking, if he done lots of this सर इसको क्या बोलेंगे, कुछ बड़ा गुनाह किया है.
Okay, has committed a gargantuan crime.
If someone has committed a
gargantuan और या फिर gigantic crime. gargantuan crime.
crime, so it should be punished. I will definitely say that. But these are not done like and also the students, like many teenagers, I saw that if they didn't get a job or they fail in exam or the parents whose parents are not understand them, they
don't understand them,
they committed suicide. It's also a very big crime. So I will not say that you should do that thing, but students should punish to rape like Sylvia case, the 10 years or 5 years, right, sir?
yes.
This is punished. This is not the way things. The girl raped and she lost of life. But to the family members, how they feel, like whole country will feel for that. Right, sir?
Yes.
For that they should punish. But like
They should be punished.
They should be punished. Sir, I want to share one case with you. Like at this time, our constitution has written that under 18 years teenagers should not write any content. Not have right. उनके ऊपर कोई एफआईआर नहीं लिख सकते.
इनके ऊपर
जो टीनेजर्स हैं अंडर
जुवेनाइल्स के खिलाफ ना, कि जुवेनाइल्स के खिलाफ बोलिए. तो no FIR can be lodged against any juvenile.
FIR can be lodged against
any juvenile.
So it's a very bad thing. Like someone, like I saw many people who murdered one. I saw one teenager who is about 17 years old. He murdered someone and he is really roaming here and there. He just gone to jail just for one month.
and after that he is roaming here and there. From this, many people take chance, like they tell teenagers, under 18 students, to join their gang and kill persons in many cities. And when the students become adults after 18, is when they सर वो 19 साल के जब हो जाते हैं,
क्या 19 साल के
जब हो जाते हैं,
when they get 19?
when they get 19, the leaders who gave them money for murder, they kill them. So by which many teenagers really badly. This should also will be right that under 18 students should also punish, but not allowed just punish. And if someone rapes, then he should be punished at that time.
अरे बहुत अच्छे, अरे मोहित के लिए क्लैप कर दो, वेल डन मोहित।
Thank you, sir.